Hello, and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR, the long-term chart hasn't changed to when I showed it to you the last time, but it always helps to show it in the beginning of the videos to give a little bit of a broader context, okay? So for me, the yellow wave count is the primary count, but it will change to something more bearish below 2.2 cents. And the reason is that this is long-term support. The 2.2 cent level is long-term support. If we break below that, then I think this is going to go in the wrong direction, yeah, into a very bearish direction for HBAR. It is the 78.6 lifetime retracement, and the yellow wave count assumes 5 waves up. They are questionable. They are not great, okay, from a Fibonacci ratio point of view. And the pullback, yeah, an ABC structure, that's fine, but the AB is too short really to be reliable. Therefore, my end to consider the idea that the B wave ended up here, yeah, I have to say that this is rather a 3-wave move. So would rather confirm the idea, that this is, yeah, if this is a high B wave, then this is a 3-wave move. So it's even worse. So again, you know, we give it a chance, but be aware of the 2.2 cent level. From a bullish point of view, we should also still see another low in an ideal world. We are currently tracking an Elliott Wave triangle down there. It takes ages to finish. I mean, it started before June, didn't it? Yeah, it started in, oh dear, it started in January. So this triangle. Yeah, I mean, the June low was basically the first setback in this triangle. And then now you see this balance of forces, which just indicates sort of, yeah, it just shows the uncertainty in the market right now, okay? Just shows you the uncertainty. People don't really know what's going on. Nobody's interested in really buying altcoins. The sentiment isn't there yet. It might come back with a decent drop and maybe capitulation, okay? And I'm not necessarily saying it will go down to 2.2 cents, but we have obviously previous support down here around 3 cents. And if we add the volume profile, the VRVP indicator, then let's just zoom in. Yeah, first of all, there is significant volume in this traded area, the current area. But what I actually wanted to show you is that obviously down here, yeah, you see those bars. It obviously drops off below these swing lows and below that area where we had a lot of trading around the 3 cent level. So below 3 cents, it basically drops off. And then we have Fibonacci support at 2.2. But what I'm highlighting is there is a good chance that we find some more support around 3 cents, you know, around the 3 cent mark, not dollars, 3 cent mark. Yeah, but at the moment, there is nothing that would suggest something more bullish at the moment. I'm tracking a potential bullish move by checking resistance, and a break above the 10 cent level here would really lead to a breakout, most likely. Then I would have to assume we are already in this wave 1, but it's just not a very likely scenario at the moment, okay? There's the chart just doesn't show any motivation to go that way, and it's just adhering very, very nicely to a triangle, and this is the triangle pattern. The yellow wave count here would be the primary scenario: A wave, B wave, C wave. The D wave is either completely finished or it will finish in this area. And then an E wave to the upside, ideally into the region between 5.8 cents and 6.7, and then a move down. And one more bear market low. Does it need that lower high? Does it need to move higher in the E wave? No. I mean, I think I explained it in the last video. The E wave of a triangle, which is basically the last wave of a triangle, it could unfold as a triangle itself. We don't have enough waves to confirm that, but it's just something that maybe in this kind of market is going to happen. So, you know, that's certainly an option, right? That we get sort of a triangle within a triangle, and that finishes off this overall triangle, and then we break down. So it's just something to watch out for. But ideally, I would like to see that healthy E wave before we break down. It can always happen earlier. I mean, the base case is one more bear market low. If things change, I will let you know. At the moment, it seems to go that way. And also, if you look at this, even though it's more like a reversal pattern and head and shoulders, but you could even argue we have a head and shoulders pattern here with a neckline around the 78.6 fib level down there. So like that, right? So the 4.5 cent level might be the neckline of a head and shoulders left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Just be aware of that, and it could send us possibly down to 3 cents. If I take the height of that head, and we go to a potential breakout point, yeah, and it takes us down to around about 2.8 cents. I would say that all comes together very nicely. We'll see. I mean, if that level breaks, I mean, then yes, we still have the 4.3 cent levels, the 88.7 Fib level, but you know that the 78.6 is normally the more relevant one. So yeah, that's my update about HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.